Hi class 5, welcome back to your value education class. Last class I have already taught you the first chapter, friendship, and now I am going to discuss the questions with you. Okay, so all of you get ready with your book. Come to page number 17. Before I start, see, let me tell you, answers can vary. Okay, it depends how you are going to accept the question and how you are going to write. Okay, it is actually something like whatever I will think, you may not think it in that way. Okay, so whatever I will discuss, these are all opinions and just a guideline for you all, so that you can write by yourself. I am just trying to help you out so that you can write all the questions, answers in your own words, okay, and with your own feelings you need to write. Clear? Let's start. So page number 17, question number 1, think and answer. Number 1, who is your best friend? What makes him or her your best friend? First one. So who is your best friend will be your own answer, of course. Now remember, in the last class I was talking about Ishan and Iftikhar. I said that Ishan's best friend is Iftikhar. If it is so, then why Iftikhar is Ishan's best friend? What are the examples, or what are the things I told you? I said that see, maybe Iftikhar is always a supportive one. He is always supporting Ishan. Okay, this can be one reason. Another reason can be because Iftikhar won't hurt Ishan's feelings. This can be another reason. Iftikhar is not at all possessive about Ishan. Then they don't fight much. Or even if they fight, Iftikhar tries to help him out. Their friendship is so strong that whatever they discuss, their secrets, means Ishan's secrets, it's not leaked out by Iftikhar. This is another reason. And he doesn't spread any gossip about Ishan. So maybe they sometimes don't agree to some of the points. That's fair enough. But still they remain good friend and best friend. So, and very important thing, maybe Iftikhar understands Ishan's emotions and feelings and mood, everything. So, they can gel up together. So, this can be, these are the reasons actually. So, you can write here what makes him or her your best friend. Now, choice is yours. Whatever you feel like, can be anything. Okay. So, you will write your best friend name and why. Done. Question number 2. Have you ever fought with your friend? What happened? Are you still friends with him or her? Now here, have you fought ever with your friend? Of course, yes, right? We of course fight with our friend, but even after that, there are moments when we quarrel, when we fight, when we argue, when we disagree. But after that, at the end of the day, we are best friends. We are friends. So, what happened? Of course, we fought. We quarreled. We argued. We had, we didn't agree to each other. Okay? We had all these things. But after that, again, we came to the conclusion that we love each other. So, we are friends. Are you still friends with him or her? Of course, I cannot live without my friend, so I am still a friend, right? Next, question number 3. Is it important for your friend to like everything that you like and to spend all his or her time with you? For me, it's no. It's not at all important that whatever I like, he or she will also have to like the same thing. It's not that important. Because, see, it depends. It varies. My choice and his choice cannot be same, or her choice cannot be same. But what matters is our relationship. our love for each other. The way I care for her, she cares for me. That is what is important. Okay. And second question was asked that to spend all the time with the friend or not. Of course not. It's not at all necessary to stay with your friend or spend time with your friend all the time. It's not possible also. Can you stay with your friend all the time? No. But that you should be attached emotionally. That is important. You should help him out when he is or she is in need. That is important. So it need not be staying together all the time, but staying with him emotionally all the time. So it's important to be attached emotionally. You need to give him the moral support. Done. Next, question number 4. What can break a friendship? What do you think can break a friendship? Misunderstanding. When you are misunderstood by your friend or vice versa. Okay. Then only the friendship breaks. Okay. So it's important. We need to keep in our mind that we should be crystal clear in front of our friend. Right. There shouldn't be any misunderstanding. That is the only thing which can break the friendship. Question number 5. How do you think you would feel if your friend is no longer friendly with you? This also I have discussed that day. Of course, you will be very upset, sad. Maybe you won't feel like doing work, or you won't be able to concentrate in your work, what you are doing. In everything, you will feel dull, or maybe you won't listen to others, you won't pay attention. All these things will happen, right? Next, come to question number 2. See here. Akhila wants to make new friends. Help her by circling the things she can do to make friends. To be good friend or to make new friend. What are you going to do? That day I told you, you have to do what? You have to introduce yourself, say hello. Remember those words. Let's see what is here. Smile. Yes, of course. Argue. No. Tease. Not at all. Share. Yes. Say hello. Yes. Make faces. Never. Push. No. Play. Yes. Listen. Of course. Yes. Introduce herself. Of course. Help. Yes. Bully. No. So these are the things we are going to do. Next. Now, page number 18, there is a question. In number 3, read the story and answer the question that follow. Ishan, here also been Ishan, wants Abid to play a new board game. Abid says he is playing with his brother. Ishan asks if he can join them, but Abid refuses. Ishan gets angry and calls Abid mean and selfish. Now, the two friends aren't talking to each other. Okay, so this is the situation given to you. Based on this situation, we have some questions. Let's see. Who do you think is responsible for the fight? Now, Abid, Ishan, both had a fight. Who do you think? Who is responsible? If you ask me, according to me, the answer is both. Because, see, Ishan could have understood his situation and Abid could have taken him also in his game. It can happen so. Or maybe he could have made him understand that I will play with you, give me some time. My brother is also important. Okay. Next, is Abid wrong in wanting to play with his brother? Not at all. Sometimes he also needs to give importance to his family members also. See, friend is also important, others are also important. So, how you balance the situation, that is important. That you need to keep in mind. It's not that your friend is important, so you will give importance to him only and you won't pay attention to other things. Not that. Okay? Does friendship mean that you always have to be with your friend? No. Friendship is what? It is sharing, caring, helping, loving each other, understanding each other, belongingness that matters. So, friendship is not this that if you be with your friend always, then you are friend. I am always with my friend. I am trying to be with him always. Over phone, through WhatsApp, then maybe with him or with her I am staying. But I am not giving him that support, that moral support I don't give. I don't agree to what he says, I don't understand what he say, or she says, then am I a good friend? No, not at all. But I cannot stay with that person for a long time. But whenever he or she needs me, calls me up, asks me, I help out. I try to give my own suggestion because I love that person. Right? So that is more important. Question number 4. What should Ishan and Abid do to end the fight? Now you have to tick mark the correct answer according to you, whatever it suits. Say sorry to each other. Ishan should understand that Abid may sometimes want to play with his brother. Abid should be more polite when saying no to Ishan. I feel say sorry to each other. That's the best option. If you feel your mistake and you say sorry, no harm in it, then the relation grows. Okay. Next. Number 4. Hidden in the grid are the words in the patch. Color them in the grid. Which of these qualities would you look for in a friend? So whoever is your best friend, and why do you want him to be best friend? Those qualities you need, right? So find out those qualities in this box and color it and be ready. Okay? You will do it by yourself. Question number 5. Complete the friendship chart. There is a chart given to you. Things my friends do for me and things I do for my friends. Now it can be anything. For me, never fights with me, never argues, never ignore me, always care for me, helps me when needed, teach me the correct thing. Okay. And what I do, I help my friend. I try to understand, never let her feel alone, and share my feelings, my emotions, my secrets with her or him, whatever it is. Next, come to page number 20. Page number 20, see there is some boxes given to you. Here Aruna is there. Okay, Aruna is learning the rules of friendship. Help her by coloring the bubbles that show the thoughts of a good friend. So I feel happy when someone praises my friend. Of course, I feel happy. You feel happy, no? Ishan, do you feel happy? When Iftikhar is praised by somebody? Yes. Maisha, do you feel happy when your friend Roshni is praised by somebody? Yes. I must respect my friend's feelings. Of course, when my friend is sharing something with me, and I need to understand that, and I should respect what he or she intends to express. Next, my friend should always listen to me. Never. Not that. No. I can't always have my way with my friend. Yes, I cannot always have my way with my friend. I cannot expect that you always have to be with me. Not that. Friendship is not that. Okay? Next, I can be rude to my friend. He or she won't mind. No, never. It's not that you can be rude to your friend. No, you need to understand. Then I must never lie to my friend. Very, very important to build up one relationship and to continue that relationship. Trust should be there. You cannot lie. Okay. Next. My friend must like everything that I like. Never ever. Not at all. Next. The last one. If my friend tells me a secret, I should not tell it to others. Yes, whatever happens, if it is a secret, it is a secret. You are not supposed to share it to anyone because that person relies on you, believe you, and then only that person is giving you all this information or shares with you. So you need to respect that. Done? Okay. Next, question number 7. Read the following situations. Decide what the right thing to do would be by putting a tick against your choice. Now it's your choice. During an exam, you notice your best friend cheating. What will you do? I will tell my friend that cheating is wrong. I will not do anything. My friend is free to do whatever she or he wants. I will stop being her friend or being his or her friend. See, for me, I would support the first one because I will, of course, tell her, knock her, that cheating is not good, so don't do that. And if she is my or he is my good friend, will listen to me. Next, some students of your class tease your friend often. What will you do? I will keep quiet. If I help my friend, they may tease me too. Next, I will stand by my friend and tell the students not to tease my friend. I will laugh secretly at the teasing. For me, the second option. I will stand by my friend and tell the students not to tease my friend. That is called friendship. If you support your friend when needed. Number 8. You are appearing on a TV show where you have to present a friendship recipe. Use the list of ingredients and fill in the blanks. So, friend soup recipe ingredients given to you. You have to fill up the blank. Let's start. Number 1. Find good friends who are dash honest. Build dash trust. Remember basic courtesies like smiling at your friends and saying sorry and thank you when required. Always help your friends when they are in need. Cheer your friend when they are sad. Encourage them to do their best. Always be polite. Mix all the above and your friend soup is ready. Remember that if you want good friends, you have to be good friend too. Done? Turn the page. Come to page number 22. Do you or don't you? Do you or don't you? Put a star in the box if the statement is true. How many stars did you get? Now choice is yours. I don't hurt my friend's feelings. Star. I let my friend play with her or his other friends. Star. I do not fight when my friends don't agree with me on small things. Star. Yes. I try to understand my friend's mood and feelings. Of course. Star. I do not leak any secret or spread any gossip about my friend. Star. Done? And the last one. This also you have to do. Imagine that a good friend has gone away. Write a letter to her or him saying why you miss him or her and why she or he is such a good friend. This also we have done. Remember, I told you, I explained you that if somebody is away from you, a very good friend, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to write a letter to him so that that person also feels very attached to you and he can understand his value in your life. Okay, so you have to write this also. So I have explained all the question answers. Now it's your turn. You are going to write all the question answers. I know it's for the first time you are writing by yourself, Value Education. You have to do it. I know my class 5 students will do it. So write everything. Take the snap of that page and then send it to me. I will correct it. Now these questions, see question number 2 in page number 17, you do it in the book. Then page number 18, question number 3, 4, this side, page number 19 also. 4, 5, do it in the book. Okay. Page number 20, do it in the book. 21, do it in the book. 22, start, do it in the book. And project 1, number 10, that you will do it in the copy. So only the questions which are there, those 5 questions at the beginning in the copy and the last question, project 1 in the copy. Write it down, send it to me, I will correct it. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye-bye class 5.